Listen to a couple of Velcro Pygmies songs and thank you. I mean, rode to Alabama on the motorcycle in the cold. Made it to a frat party, thank God he was there. Otherwise there'd only been 9 people at the show, instead of 10. We are the world famous Velcro Pygmies, as you know, originally from Louisville, Kentucky. The brass is the only ones that are still in Louisville. Johnny Depp, Birmingham, Alabama Crimson Tide fan. Chris Rodians, outside of Tuscaloosa. Augusta State Community College Jaguar fan, and who isn't? Angel, somewhat transient. Occasionally in Huntsville, occasionally in Nashville, occasionally in Jake. Here tonight, Shreveport. Now, I understand that last night after the show, we went across and we ate at the diner, we gorged ourselves, and then Angel apparently went and played craps. And was a big winner. So, and I don't know, he's got the mind stuff, so if you have money to waste,
me and him, we won some money last night.
You can roll the dice.
I didn't want to say how much. We won some money.
When we're done tonight,
Angel taught me how to play craps. Never played a day.
I love craps.
I never played a day.
Win.
Angel taught me.
All we do is win. No matter what, hands go up. We win. Hey man, that's my words. That's my words, man. I'm making those words. We always finish our show with a song by Kiss, ladies and gentlemen. It is a tradition. Thank you all for being here. When we're done, come up and say, hey, the bar still be open till about 3, so everybody's going to dance and drink and do that sort of thing.